Just gonna ride past you on my bike. That's alright, because I'm not sure who I like. Why did you give me an Indian burn? I told the principal because it really hurt. You're such a stupid jerk.
I can't tell her that I like her. I can only shoot her with the spitball. She should know that it means the same thing after all. I threw glue at her just to get a reaction. She was a distraction from addition and fractions. Drew a picture of her cause I thought she was neat. We've always been close cause we have assigned seats. I'll never forget when I passed her that note, cause she checked the box yes and that's all that she wrote. From then it was great, then we had a play date. We played house and she made me a fake Play-Doh steak. The next day I saw something that I'll never forget. She was playing and laying with Kyle in the ball pit. I started to cry and lay down on the floor. I said, you're a fart face, I don't like you no more. I want you out of my heart, but you're stuck like a splinter. Goodbye, my mom's calling me for dinner.
You said mean things and you ran away. That's okay, it must have been opposite day. You stole my heart and you stole my bike. That's alright, because I love the way you like. Love the way you like.
Now I apologize for wiping boogers on your jacket and backpack. I wish that it didn't, I wish that I could backtrack to the day before they made me sit in the corner. This feels like a third grade restraining order. I knew that I loved you at first, but I fought it. My heart was a kickball, then you suddenly caught it. I'm sorry, but there's something I must confess. It was me who ripped off your Nintendo DS. I felt bad and returned it while you were busy napping. We're together again, it's just like it never happened. I dressed up as Weasley and you were Hermione. You said you had spells that could make me less whiny. You colored inside of the lines of my heart, cause you opened me up and then you cut a fart in my heart. I'm so bored with these games that we're playing. I guess that's why they call them board games.
Well,